So I notice you have a few different methods of staking throughout the garden to keep everything, upright and looking good. So here, these are those columbines that rebloom. Yeah.
Yeah, so I use 3 different support systems in this garden. We use the peony hoops that have the grid pattern as well as the circular ones. In the spring, we have a ton of peonies in here that complement those lupin and the alliums. And then for the columbines, to try to keep them looking a little bit more natural, I've used these fabulous metal stakes, and gosh, I've had these for about 10 years, so it's been a great investment. And so it's real simple because all that you have to do is press it in the ground, and then it's got this little hoop that you can just set it in, and that way it's out of your way and the mower's way and all that good stuff.
And that makes sense for plants that have a single stalk instead of like a big clump.
Yeah, we use them on our hollyhocks as well. They don't work quite as well on the delphiniums because the delphiniums, the flowers get real heavy.
They're just
and then
too
they
tall for that.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly.
So then here's another one with the daisies, another method.
Yes, the daisies, the great floppers that they can be. So we do a lot of cross staking. So we take pieces of bamboo and kind of, you want to go in and think about a haircut and layering the haircut. So you want to go in a little bit further than you think that you need to, and then you can press it in and kind of give it a little fluff. And that way it gives it the support that it needs to actually stand upright, as opposed to it, crowding out the sedum that are underneath it.
That makes sense. And you can put several going different directions in the same clump and keep it kind of looking more natural instead of if you were tying it up into a big bundle.
Yeah.
It just wouldn't look as natural.
Yeah, you see sometimes people using the tape, it kind of looks like they're strangling the plants a little bit.
I've tried that sometimes and not been really happy with it.
Yeah,
so,
I found that, and I really enjoy staking. It's kind of a science in itself, so you just kind of play around with it and what the plant needs and figure it out.